Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect crypto wallet to exchange step by step. Open your exchange account and confirm supported wallet types, then update security settings and back up your seed phrase securely. Check network compatibility and have small test funds ready. This ensures a smooth connection and reduces risk. I'll walk you through each screen, highlight common warnings, and show how to verify the connection safely for peace of mind. Start by selecting Connect Wallet on the exchange and pick your wallet app from the list. Approve the connection in your wallet and review requested permissions carefully. Confirm the network and matching addresses to avoid bridging errors. If a hardware wallet is used, approve on device and check the address on its screen. After connection, review balances and transaction history to ensure the wallet reflects your expected funds securely. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more crypto guides. Quick recommendation. I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers, which save time on busy trading days and keep snacks secure during commutes. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them easily. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Send a small test deposit to confirm the wallet connects correctly and that the exchange receives the funds. Always verify transaction amounts, addresses, and fees on both the exchange and within your wallet before approving. If using a hardware wallet, check the device display for accuracy on each transaction. Keep your wallet app and hardware firmware up to date, and avoid public Wi-Fi when performing sensitive operations to minimize risk of compromise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.